Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that promise to make our beauty routines smoother, safer, and more effective. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Clinique Naturally Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, a solution designed for those of us with sensitive eyes who don't want to compromise on cleansing performance. This lightweight, unscented remover is aimed at gently dissolving makeup without irritation. The product comes in a compact 89-gram bottle measuring just under 5 inches in height, making it convenient for travel or daily use. Clinique emphasizes its suitability for sensitive eyes, and as the name suggests, the formula avoids fragrances that could potentially cause stinging or redness. It's formulated to remove eye makeup efficiently while being gentle enough for the delicate skin around the eyes. I tested this remover over a week, integrating it into both my morning and evening routines. One of the first things I noticed was the lightweight texture. It doesn't feel oily or heavy, yet it effectively lifts mascara, eyeliner, and shadow without excessive rubbing. Using a cotton pad, a single swipe was usually enough to clear most makeup, which is a huge plus for anyone dealing with stubborn eye products. It's gentle enough that I didn't experience any irritation, dryness, or residue, which is crucial for sensitive eyes. However, it does take a slightly longer time to dissolve waterproof makeup compared to some biphase removers. The pros of this product are quite clear. It's gentle, fragrance-free, travel-friendly, and suitable for sensitive eyes. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy film, making it easy to follow up with serums or creams. On the flip side, if you regularly wear waterproof eye makeup, you might need to hold the pad on your lashes a few extra seconds, which can feel a bit more time-consuming. In terms of value for money, Clinique positions this remover at a mid-range price point. Considering the effectiveness, gentle formulation, and brand reliability, I would say it's worth the investment if sensitive eyes are a concern. There are more affordable options out there, but they often come with stronger scents or harsher ingredients that can cause irritation. Clinique's gentle approach justifies the slightly higher cost for those who prioritize eye safety. Compared with other eye makeup removers on the market, this one stands out for its balance of gentle care and performance. While some removers work faster, they can compromise comfort or leave residue, whereas Clinique delivers a clean finish without discomfort. The packaging is simple yet sturdy, and the bottle's size makes it easy to store or pack for travel. Over my testing period, the formula remained consistent with no separation or degradation. I haven't personally had to contact customer support, but Clinique has a long-standing reputation for responsive service and clear guidance on product use. If you're someone with sensitive eyes or frequently experience irritation from conventional removers, Clinique Naturally Gentle Eye Makeup Remover is a reliable choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description box below. If you've used this remover already, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.